The state of Oklahoma is the primary purchaser of long-term care in the state, with around 15,000 Sooner Care members in long-term care. The Oklahoma Health Care Authority says it knew it had to act during COVID to protect our most vulnerable.
Had the governor's administration and Secretary Corbett not championed these COVID supplemental payments, we would have lost buildings across the state of Oklahoma because they could not have afforded to recruit the staff and retain the staff that they needed to provide excellent care.
For the most part, it was about being able to support our residents, our members that are residents in these facilities, with the proper care.
The effects of the pandemic hit every industry hard, especially long-term care facilities, where frontline heroes were tasked with taking care of Oklahomans most at risk from the virus.
We work with our federal partners to really think about how can we support them in this time of need, and with our federal partners we were able to come up with some supplemental funding.
There were PPE needs, cleaning supplies, and workforce challenges these facilities had to overcome, but OHCA stepped up to the plate.
Long-term care became a place that was significantly impacted by COVID and continues to be impacted by COVID. This financial support has been incredibly helpful to the providers in the state.
Because of that continued impact, OHCA has continued its support. Fiscal year to date, providing $70 million to the nearly 400 Medicaid certified facilities in the state.
We've had ongoing conversations with our nursing facility partners in terms of what they were challenged with, and clearly having the ability to hire and retain workforce is very important. To train and continue to improve the quality of care in those facilities is something that we continue to work with them on.
Now federally, the public health emergency is set to expire in January, which means so would the enhanced payments. But the Health Care Authority plans to stand in the gap and continue those payments through the end of the fiscal year or June of 2023, something President and CEO of Care Providers Oklahoma, Stephen Buck, is very thankful for.
That was an incredibly important message that Secretary Corbett was able to send, and I know he did that in great consultation with the governor and other members of the cabinet. That confidence that support will be there through the end of this upcoming state fiscal year, that allows our providers to have some concreteness in their budgeting.
For more information on the long-term care benefits provided by Sooner Care, you can visit their website, oklahoma.gov/OHCA. And for more Top 10 news like this story, subscribe to the Governor's YouTube page and check out the Top 10 News playlist.